Welcome to Campers RV Center, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. This beautiful toy hauler fifth wheel comes equipped with Party Patio Kit, backup camera ready, electric stabilizer jacks, rear patio, triple slides, roof ladder, roof ducted AC, oven, microwave, L-shaped kitchen counter, double kitchen sink, 2 ACs, 3-burner cooktop, TV and DVD player, overhead cabinets, slide-out wardrobe, TV hookup in bedroom, bath and a half, dual lights over headboard, and much more. For more than 30 years, Campers RV Center has been helping our friends and neighbors find the perfect RV for their adventures. Our staff of knowledgeable and friendly RV enthusiasts is focused on fulfilling your dreams so you can take home the RV that is just right for you. We also have a wide variety of financing options to meet almost every customer's needs. So come see us today. Campers RV Center. The fun life starts here.